Here's how to fix Instagram Music not showing all the songs. Now, if you're trying to add a specific song or musician, but it's not showing that specific artist or song, I'll show you how to get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's start over here, close out of the Instagram app and open it up again. And there are a few different things you're going to do. First is tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Now, keep in mind, there could be some issues with your professional account creator or business. So let's tap on the three lines at the very top right here. And now from here, let's scroll down. You can see under For Professionals, we're going to tap on Business Tools and Controls. And from here, tap on Switch Account Type and switch to a personal account. This allows you to access a lot more songs in the basically creator page where you're creating a story, reel, etc. So switch to a personal account. But that's not all. The next thing that we're going to do, again, is to tap on the three lines at the top right. And then we're going to tap on Account Center at the very top. There could be an issue if you're default sharing your story or reels, etc. from your Instagram account to Facebook. So let's tap on Sharing Across Profiles and then tap on Instagram here. Now on here, you want to turn off, if any of these are turned on, automatically share your Instagram to Facebook. Make sure those are all turned off, including the reels, post, story, etc. Now, after we've done that, let's exit out of the Instagram app and open up the settings. Now, what I would recommend doing in the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on General, and then scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Tap on that. After you've done that, tap on your VPN. If you have a VPN that is turned on, this could be causing issues because, of course, there are copyright issues with certain countries and certain regions. And if you're connected to a VPN in another country, that could be the culprit. So I would recommend toggling your VPN completely off, closing out of Instagram and opening it up again and trying to create a story or reel with that song, and you'll get all of them access again. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.